Sarins with this Master Pro series, pinned by Lonewolf Lockpicking. So we can get this one on camera again. I got what is that? It's 4 locks counting this one that I had on camera, and I got a new phone, so I was transferring everything over, and I messed something up. And when I did, I lost the videos I had. These 4 locks were the ones that I had, so I got to go back and pick them again. Big turn off of 1. There's a counter on 2 and a click. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Counter on 4. Click. 1. Binding. There we go. Click. 2. Got a counter. Click. There we go. Open on 2. Back out. There it is, open. So let's see. Yep, that'll be fine there. Put that down. Allen. Let's see which one works here. Maybe this thing I do it. Yep, did I get it? Nope. Well, I don't know if nothing fits. Let's see if this here fit. There we go. Alright, got that out. It is open. Let's see if I can get that clip off. So yeah, I had to dig through all my videos and see which ones I lost, because I knew I had some videos on my other phone. I couldn't remember which ones it was. There's a little blue one. There we go. I think that will work. Oh, this way here. May have to shim it. I'm gonna get a shim in there. Something's hanging on it. I think it's just too big. Ain't want to go in there. Alright. Let's try that one. Will that one work? There we go. We'll do that. There we go. Dump all these out. Looks like all standard. I couldn't really remember what was in there, so I picked it. It's been a while back when I picked it. Look at that in a minute. This is a little tight here. Maybe a little stuck. There we go. Oh, serrated. A serrated spool. A spool. Serrated spool. Uh-oh. There it is. Spool. And serrated spool. I didn't think about the springs. Hopefully they're all the same. Let me do it like this. Whoop. Making a mess here. Nope, they are different. All right, let's see what we got in the Bible. Let's see, we have threading in 1, 2, 3 standard, 4 has threading. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 standard, and is that threading in 6? Yeah, threading in 6. And matching threading in the core. And this phone don't seem like it zooms as much as my other one did. So we'll bring it up a little closer. Hopefully y'all can see that. There we go. And there we go. Threading in, or threaded in 1. A serrated spool in 2. Spool in 3. Yep, serrated spool in 4. Spool in 5. And spool in 6. Ah, dang it. There we go. All right, steel spring in 6, copper, steel, copper, steel, copper. All right, that's what I got for this Lonewolf lock picking. Thank you, Mr. Lonewolf. And y'all, thanks for watching. Be legal, and God bless.